Hey yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel over here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn on your two-factor authentication in Binance. That's pretty simple, so you guys just need to follow the step which I'm going to be showing you in this video. And for those people who do not know 2FA, it's basically an extra layer of security. If you guys have not yet turned on your two-factor authentication, then basically your account might be at risk. Why? Because if somebody knows your email and your password, they can simply log in into your Binance account. But if you guys have turned on a two-factor authentication, until and unless they verify the code which is on that two-factor authentication, depends on which one you have turned on, they can't log in into your Binance account. So let me show you guys how you guys can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, everybody. We post content like this on our channel one step. So for future videos, stay tuned. Let's get into today's video. First step, you gotta go to Binance.com, log in into your account. Click on this little icon over here and go on versus security. Once you go on security, it's a page for 2FA. Now there's multiple layers of 2FA. By multiple layers, I mean there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 types of 2FA, and you can turn on all this 4, or you can turn on a single one. All right, I mean a single one is going to be turned on by default. So let's say you open your Binance account using email. Your email is going to be turned on. If you use your mobile number is going to be turned on. So let's say I didn't use my mobile number and I want to turn on my mobile number as well. I can click on enable and enter my mobile number and verify my mobile number. After that, every time I try to log in into my Binance account, a verification code is going to be sent to my mobile number, and then I need to type that code, and then only I can log in into it. And if you turn on your email, the code is going to be sent to your email and the process is going to be same. All right, and if you want to turn on an authenticator, you can just, there's going to be an enable button over here as well. You can click on enable, link your authenticator, and authenticator is an app. You can easily download it from Play Store or App Store and link that with your Binance. And the code is going to be changing every 30 seconds in authenticator, so you gotta enter that code within the 30 seconds and you should be good to go. And if you want the physical thing, then you can click on enable over here where it says security key and buy a security key on Amazon, and there's going to be plenty of YouTube videos you can watch to link your security key. Once that key is linked, until and unless you plug that pen drive looking thing on the laptop or like on your device, it's not going to open up. So that's also another layer of security. All right, so these are all the 2FA, and you can turn on whichever one you like. So hope you guys understand. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye.